Oh, it's a dictionary. I'm improving my English.
What for?
Oh, you asked me what for. Okay, today will be a special day. Okay, we'll try to pull off a pure English episode. You guys ready? Let's go. Good day, healthy people. This is your cook Wilbert Fish, and welcome to Quarantine Cooking, series and episodes of cooking tutorials where we teach you food or dishes that can make your family to look better, feel better, and live longer. Today, we'll cook a Filipino favorite, which is Bicol Express, but this time it will be a surf and turf style. Okay, we'll chase it with a refreshing cooler made in watermelon and some lemon juice. And it will be an interesting episode because we will use English language all throughout the time. You guys ready? Let's go, let's go. Now let's get started. Let's do first the simple syrup for our cooler. So I have here my 1-quart saucepan. Okay, what I love with this cookware is it's good. It's nice. It's small and you can do your sauce and your syrup easily with this kind of cookware. So I have here, oh, by the way, on our cooler we're gonna use sugar, water, lemon rind, lemon juice, and watermelon. Okay, so first we'll do the simple syrup. We put first our sugar, about 2 cups. Okay, equal parts of sugar and equal parts of water. Of course, 1 glass of water. Okay, turn the heat on. Okay, let it boil. Okay, and let the sugar be diluted by the water. Later, it will be a good syrup. We let it boil. Let's cover it first. Then we'll check it later. Then we'll add our, we're gonna squeeze some lemon juice to add acidity, another layer of flavor. Alright? Alright. Now our beef is now clicking. Let's check our syrup. Alright? It's already boiling. Okay, turn off the heat. Now we'll just squeeze our lemon juice. Just cover it, let it cool and set aside. And we'll go straight to our second dish. This is Bicol Express. Okay. This time we'll do it surf and turf style. When we say surf and turf, we're gonna use we'll use meat and we'll use seafood. Okay, for seafood, okay, we're gonna use shrimp, and for the meat, okay, we'll use pork. Okay, so what I did with our pan, this is our Salad Master 2 porks. Okay, I preheated it. Okay. Now we'll put our pork. Cover it and leave it there for about 2 to 3 minutes, and will naturally render its natural fat. Okay, and later we'll go straight for sauteing. Okay, okay, all right. Few minutes have passed. Let's check our pork. All right, it's now brown. So we render some of its fat. Now I'll go ahead and straight put our onion, garlic, and ginger. Saute it. Just wait for the onion to translucent. Hirap mag-English. Budlay man ba? Napong kasakit. But anyway, we'll continue it. We'll talk in English. We'll just enjoy. Alright, so the onion will be translucent. Now we'll put our shrimp paste, or we call it bagoong. Okay, about 2 tablespoons. With the pork. Now I'll add my green chilies. And our coconut milk, or our gata. Let it simmer for the coconut milk to be cooked. And then later, okay, halfway there, we'll put our shrimp. Okay, and the remaining of the chilies. Alright, so about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we're good. Alright, while waiting for the Bicol Express to be cooked, okay, let's do our cooler. Okay, so I have here my blender. Now we'll just put ice. Followed by our watermelon. Now we'll put our simple syrup with lemon. Cover it, fire away. Now let's add the lemon rind. Okay. Last blend. And we're good. Okay. Now, we'll serve it later to a tall glass. Now let's check our Bicol Express. Okay, as you can see, the natural oil from the pork and from the coconut milk, okay, is now surfacing. Okay, now we'll put our shrimp. And that goodness from the coconut milk, okay. Wala lang, goodness lang. Alright, we'll put our chilies. The red for color. Cover it. Okay. Just cook the shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes and then we're good. Okay, what I did here is I don't want to overcook the shrimp because when cooking shrimp, you don't have to overcook it because you don't want to overcook the shrimp. It's gonna be overcooked. Alright? Alright. Now, last check to our Bicol Express. Okay, so you can see the shrimp or the prawn turned red, so I think it's good. Okay, one final mix. Turn off the temperature. Look at that goodness. Oh yeah, I can smell the goodness from the coconut milk. Okay, and now we're ready for plating. Now, let me state some facts about the ingredients that we used. First, in watermelon, it says here it has high water content. This makes it hydrating and help us feel full. It also says here that watermelon is a low-calorie fruit, high in some nutrients, especially carotenoids and vitamin C. Okay, so when we eat watermelon, okay, it can boost our immune system. And for the Bicol Express, okay, we use coconut milk, and I love using coconut milk. Here's why. Okay, it contains antioxidant, okay, electrolyte balance, prevents heart disease, strengthens the immune system, okay, prevention of anemia, healthy for your hair and skin, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. Okay, so when you consume coconut milk, okay, it will give you more nutrients. It will make your body and immune system good. All right, so those are the wonders of the ingredients that we used. Now let's plate our dish. Let's do first our surf and turf Bicol Express. Just get a good amount of the pork, shrimp, like that. Good amount of shrimp. Now, to make it look more intense, let's top it with chopped cheese. All right, so there you have it, our surf and turf Bicol Express. Now let's serve our cooler. Okay, I have here my glass. Okay, pour over your watermelon and lemon mixture, and there you have it, our watermelon lemon cooler. And there you have it, our Surf and Turf Bicol Express and our watermelon lemon cooler. So now let's taste if it's good. All right, so let's take a bite first from our Bicol Express. I'm gonna get some pork, some chilies, shrimp, some of the coconut milk. Perfect bite. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go. Wow, it's so good. The pork is tender. The coconut is it's so creamy, plus the crunch of the shrimp, and of course the spice from the chili. It makes this dish more call this fiery, and it's so good. I can express. Ang hirap sa English naman. Tagalog na lang nga. But anyway, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. Alright? Now, let's chase it with our cooler. After the heat, let's cool it down with this drink. Let's try it. Wow. It's so good. You can taste the watermelon first, and then the acidity from the lemon will kick in. It will make you refreshing, and it will make you feel refreshed. Right? So, basta yun na, sarap. Okay? So there you have it. Our dish for today, our Surf and Turf Bicol Express, and our cooler, watermelon lemon cooler. I hope you enjoyed the episode for today, guys, and I hope you have a great time. Me, I have a difficult time speaking in English. My gosh. Okay? Let's not do it again, okay? Let's Tagalog next time. Alright? Alright.
Oh, quiz. Nangyari sa'yo.
Dumugulo na konting ilong ko. But anyway, that ends our episode for today. Thank you for watching. I hope na marami kayong nalaman, and sumaya kayo sa episode na to. And before we end, I want to thank Titanium Lining Corp for sponsoring our cooking show sa araw na to. Titanium Lining Corp is an official dealer of Salad Master Cookwares here in the Philippines. To know more about our dealership, please check our page. And for more recipes and inquiries, please contact me. Alright? Nga pala guys, i-upload na yung mga ibang videos natin sa YouTube. So please, paki-follow nyo yung channel na The Flavor. Okay? Okay yung host doon, magaling din yung nag-e-edit nila. Okay, so follow nyo lang. Ha? Maraming subscribers. Alright? And a healthy reminder for everybody, please stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Lagi namin sinasabi with Salad Master, we change lives. Peace! Check it out!